this is Brandi Schuster. I'm reporting from the Chemspec Europe in Geneva. And today I've got with me Georg Weichselbaumer from WeylChem. He's the Managing Director. Thank you for taking time to talk to us today. Let's talk about your custom manufacturing business. How did it come out of the recession?
Yeah, it's quite interesting because recession, you mean financial crisis. And the financial crisis didn't hit us too much. 2009 actually was one of our better years.
Okay.
And the reason is we supply mainly to agrochemical customers, and there the cycle is different. 2009 was still a good year for agrochemicals. They built up inventory, so they had 2 good years, and now we have to pay for that in 2010 and 2011.
Okay. What does that mean for your company then?
It means that for last year volumes were reduced, and we have started to look at applications different from agrochemicals.
Okay.
We actually have started not only to look at that, but put kind of a different organization into place, and we formed another small group called WeylChem International, with the target to look at custom manufacturing and at custom manufacturing mainly for different markets.
Okay, which markets? Can you tell us a little bit about
that?
I
mean, one of the main markets which we look at is polymer raw materials, polymer intermediates, flavor and fragrances, and what we continuously do is look at new and developing markets, just to see if there's a fit with our chemistry, like light-emitting diodes or like green chemistry.
Okay.
So, and then there are sometimes products which we can supply to that market as well.
Okay, so you're really expanding.
Yeah, and that's actually the preference. We want to reduce the dependence on agrochemicals, but not at the expense of agrochemicals, but trying to grow. And we had to do that because we have various members of the group, and all of them were not big enough. To have the resources to look at different markets. So it was concentrated at one place, and we have dedicated people who look at other markets for all of the members of the group.
Okay, all right. Well, can you tell us about some of the trends that you mentioned some just now? Can you tell us about some more trends that you've been seeing in custom manufacturing and custom synthesis?
Yeah, I mean, and I'm starting again with agrochemicals because that's our main business. And what you see there is that we have seen in the past decline of the number of new products. And that's continuing. Actually, it's for us even getting worse. When we talk to customers here, they're telling you in the past we have developed several molecules per year, and all of the big ones now saying we may be developing less than 1 molecule per year. So there's a big change, but they look at the big blockbusters like big pharma, trend going in the same direction. They look at big molecules, and we need to be part of that. But not only that, as I said, we look at other things. But what we have seen also is that the competition has changed to a actually significant extent. We have seen business coming back, for example, from China, because the costs there are slightly increasing, and I mean, we are not getting paid more, but we're able to compete again. That's a big difference for us.
Even on a price level, but or also on a quality level?
I think it's not price, it's not quality, it's what they call delivered cost. And I mean, we are closer to our customers. What we see also is, for all of them, decisions are taken much quicker. In the past, if the situation in the end market changed, they waited a little bit to see if they could confirm that change. Now it's like a 1.5 or 2-point switch. It's yes, we need, or no, we don't need, and very quickly. So
you see the market's moving a little bit faster.
Yeah, and we have to adapt to that.
And they're looking for more flexibility then.
Yeah, and flexibility means also more communication with the customer. That's very key, that we communicate properly to see things coming early that may not help us to avoid the changes, but we should be able to cope with us much easier.
All right, well, it sounds like WeylChem is going in a new direction. What's your outlook for 2011, 2012?
For 2011, I think we have to separate when we look at our product business, which goes into various particular consumer end markets. I mean, the bonds are full. There we see the good economy. We see that we can supply volumes. We are also able to get prices up to a certain extent. When you look at agrochemicals, it's a picture which is a little bit different. I mean, also the volumes are coming back, but it depends then on the end application. When you have seen crop commodity prices increasing significantly, the one which increased most was cotton. So everything which goes into cotton, I mean, the market is just booming. Others are a little slower, but in general, volume is coming back, and it's different from end application to end application and from customer to customer.
Okay, so it sounds like you're optimistic for the coming years.
I mean, it's optimistic for the rest of 2011 and in particular 2012.
Thank you very much for taking time to talk to us.